Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off restore apps on startup on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To enable or disable restore apps, open the Settings app first. You can get here by either searching for Settings in the app launcher in the bottom left, or by clicking on the time in the bottom right, and then by selecting the cog icon. Within the settings, click on Apps from the menu on the left, and then look for the option called Restore Apps on Startup, and you can use the drop-down box to the right of this to choose your preferred option for this setting. That's how to turn on or turn off restore apps on startup on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.